Hello everybody, today I want to show you how to change colors of image using AI in Canva. So open Canva and place a picture to your project. So this is my picture, a flower, and I want to change the color only of the half of it. So click on edit photo and next click on magic edit. And you have to brush the area of your change. So gentle select the area of your change. If you want to make the brush bigger on the left side, it just brush and select the area of flower. I'm going to select only the half of the flower as I said, and now I want to make it blue. So click on continue and write what you want. So I want to change color to blue and click on generate. And this is the result, and you can choose between 4 options, or if you want you can generate new results. That's it guys, hope it helps and see ya in the next video.